Hello everyone, welcome you back to Moses TCG. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to round shape corners. Like you have any shape which is like in a triangular form or a rectangular form, but you need to remove the corners for those you need to round those corners. So don't go anywhere and let us get started. You open your Adobe Illustrator program. In Windows 10 and Windows 11, you just search from the search menu. You just type the word for your program and you find it shortlisted. You select the program. You go to more presets. You click on Web Raj. I'm going to use Web Raj, but for you can select any other dimensions that suits your document requirements. Okay, now I'm going to let me get a rectangle shape. Okay, let us change the color. You double click on this white triangle, the color will get opened. You click somewhere like here and you drag the scale. It keep on changing the colors according to what will suit you. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, now as you can see this triangle, I need to round these edges. Okay, we have two options. The first option is to point your mouse there and drag, but when you drag, you're going to drag the whole shape. So in case you don't want to drag the whole shape, let me just put it back. Putting it back, you see, you go back and place in that radio icon until when it goes back. Okay, now if you don't want to drag the whole thing, what you need to do is to single click on that radio dot, then you drag that corner and remove the sharp corner. It is the same thing for all corners. Like for example, here I just single click and drag the corner. Same thing, single click and drag the corner. Same thing, single click and drag the corner. Okay guys, that is how we round shapes corners in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.